Judge John Murphy in Florida got into a verbal and physical fight with a public defender in the area by the name of Andrew Weinstock. Apparently the judge had asked Weinstock to have his client waive the right to a quick and speedy trial, and the defender refused to do so. As a result, this is what happened.
You're Mr. Runkles?
Yes, sir.
2 charges, assault and resisting. You have the public defender. Public defender, what do you want to do?
But they filed?
They have.
I'm not waiving.
All right, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I'm not waiving. If you want to set it for trial, set it for trial.
All right.
If you want to set it for docket sounding, set it for docket sounding. I'm not waiving in any case. This is an
You know,
emergency
if I
created by
had a
the
rock,
state.
I would throw it at you right now.
You know, this is
Stop pissing me off. Just sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No,
Sit
you know
down.
what? I'm the public defender. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to
I
stand
said
and represent
sit
my
down.
clients.
If you want to fight, let's go out back and I'll just beat
Let's go
your
out
ass.
Shit just got real, man.
That happened. And of course, in Florida.
Of course.
Yes. Okay.
Thank God neither one of them had a gun. It's inside a court.
Yeah, so
Otherwise, they'd have to come back in. They would say, I stood my ground.
okay, so there are other wrinkles to this story that are unbelievable. First of all, the public defender says that he didn't, swing at all, and that the judge had grabbed his neck and kept punching him in the face. I don't know if that's true. That's, of course, his allegation.
But the judge did say that he would beat his ass.
He said that. Okay, so he said that, and of course, that's unprofessional. The judge shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
Judge shouldn't have done that. But also, right after he said it, the public defender's like, "What? All right, you saw that." Like,
Yeah.
he got up and walked over.
Yeah, no,
to
I saw it.
So it's not like the public defender didn't do anything wrong. Like,
Yeah.
the judge provoked it, and he obliged.
So I love that you're on the judge's side here.
I'm not on the judge's side.
No, it looked like you were like, wait, the man
No.
did ask for an ass meeting, didn't he? Didn't he?
I am not on the judge's side. I'm just saying the defender there was not 100% innocent because, he got up and he puffed his chest out a little bit.
Right.
Anyway, okay, so here's the wrinkle of the story that's unbelievable. The judge isn't facing any charges.
Oh, come on.
Okay, so Weinstock says that he is going to report him to the Florida bar, so we'll see what happens there. But really, the guy punched you. You're not going to press any charges at all? I don't know, it's Florida.
No, that's madness. Of course he should face charges. He should face disbarment. You can't have the judge going and kicking the public defender's ass in the middle of a trial. This isn't Game of Thrones.
No, but what's amazing, okay, so that happened, and after they stopped fighting, the people that were in the courtroom started to applaud, right?
To applaud, yeah.
To applaud.
Oh, of course, if I was there, I'd applaud too. That's hilarious.
And then after that, the judge actually came in, and he continued to make rulings, which is amazing. And apparently he told...
In that case?
Yes.
Oh, go. Yeah, for the love of Christ, obviously you have to recuse yourself from that case. You just assaulted one of the attorneys.
Hold on, stop. I don't know, I don't know about that particular case, but there were other cases that he needed to hear.
But either way,
yes.
dude, clean up, go home. Okay, after you've already committed an assault and you're the judge, put away the robe, let's take a lunch break and just call it a day.
So when he entered the courtroom after punching an attorney in the face, allegedly, he said to the people in the courtroom, "I will catch my breath eventually. Man, I'm an old man." That's amazing.
I'm just curious of the response, the visceral response each of you got versus, Anna versus Jake. I know how I felt when I just heard it. But you don't step outside unless you're ready. Like, you gonna go outside and get your ass kicked? Hey, if you're not gonna fight, stay inside. Because it's worse. Just be called a bitch inside here rather than trying to step outside and then get your ass kicked. I don't understand his plan. Like, as you said, Anna, he jumped right up. He's like, fuck it, let's go. You better be ready.
Yeah,
homie.
I wouldn't have gone out to the hall. I would honestly look at him and be like, really, man, you're a judge. Are you asking me to go outside in the hall? No, I'm not going to go outside in the hall, and I'm going to report you. That's how I would have handled it. But he puffed up his chest.
I got hype a little bit, right? Especially when you hear the judge go, you want to fuck with me? Is that what he said like 3 times? Oh, come on, man.
Can we just watch the video one more time?
Yeah, I loved it.
Please focus
And then
on the
you know what
attorney.
we're going to do? Ironically, we're going to do Supreme Court on the court.
If you want to fight, let's go out back and I'll just beat
Let's go
your
out.
ass.
I didn't notice how much he was yelling, you want to fuck with me outside. Okay, so we know the judge is guilty. He shouldn't have done that. That's not what's before the court. First of all, I'm going to need you to drop it. Okay, court is in session, and I will beat your ass if you disagree with me. Okay, the question is the defense lawyer guilty? Public defender. And JR and Anna have indicated since he rushed outside, he had an ass kicking coming to him. Okay. Chief Justice, I go to you for a different opinion.
I don't see why he's guilty. I mean, he got called out and he fucking handled it. I mean,
You're in a courtroom. You handle it differently than you would on the
fucking system
streets.
just isn't working. And maybe we fucking hammer out which ones are the good judges and which ones are the weak judges, and let them battle out, and then we'll keep the good ones and the bad ones get out. Boom.
I could rule here, and then if I'm on Jesus' side, then it'd be a tie. Yeah, because I don't think the defender did anything wrong. I mean, you get called out, you walk out, but then when you realize when you're out there, oh, this guy's going to actually punch me in the face, that's crazy. I'm not going to punch him back, because here's who's going to go to jail, me, not him, right? Mm-hmm. Which, by the way, we can tell because the judge already so far has no legal consequences, right? So I vote not guilty on the defense attorney. But since we're split, we're going to have to do trial by combat. I name as my champion Jesus Godoy.
At the end, I'm gonna have to give my monologue, and you know how that goes.
Do you want to name a champion?
I'm going to name myself.
Oh, well, that was relatively easy. Jesus, you're back in now?
Yeah. I got this.
Oh, that means I got to fight him?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Okay, yeah? No, she's like, yeah, I'm fine. She's like the defense attorney. No, I got it. I'll come out there. We'll see what happens.
Go outside.